Good morning. Donnie Wanders here, and today I have wandered very far from home. I'm in Newfoundland. And this morning I am hiking the Silver Mine Head path in Middle Cove. And as you can see behind me, there's loads of sea ice has come into this little cove. It's really beautiful. So this trail that I'm hiking is about 4 kilometers. It's an out and back trail, so 4.5, something like that. And I think it's a pretty easy trail, except for at this time of the year. There's lots of snow and ice on the trail. So I'm just gonna take my time. But the geology here is pretty crazy. Very, very steep. But I think the trail is relatively easy terrain. So let's see how we make out. I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I'm in the woods. Most of this trail, the Silver Mine Head Path, sticks to the coast, but this little portion goes through a forested area, and I thought I would come in here out of the wind to make sure I could capture some of what I was saying without having the wind in the background. I think you can probably hear the waves smashing in the background. So this is the Silver Mine Head Path in Middle Cove, Newfoundland, just outside of St. John's. And it's about a 4.5 kilometer trail. Conditions today were a little bit icy on the trail, but generally not a terribly difficult trail. Loads of sea ice in today, so that was a really neat thing that I got to see that you don't get to see every day here. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And Donnie Wanders, we'll see you in the next one.